That's just
Listen to me, Mr.
premeditating
Robinson.
something, sir.
If you're going to place my photograph on Facebook, which I do not want you to do, I am telling you that there will be repercussions.
That's a threat, and I don't like to be threatened.
If this is not a threat, I'm telling you.
What repercussions? For what purpose? What have I done? Have I broken a law?
You are.
What law have I broken?
It's against the law to record without a permit, sir.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Peeps, and in today's video I dug deep into the First Amendment audit archives. A blast from the past, if you will, bringing to you what I consider to be some of the very best clips of First Amendment auditors doing what they do best, holding our public officials accountable. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Leave a comment and a like to help this video spread for others to enjoy. As always, I will leave the links to all the original videos in the description below, so be sure to visit their channels and show them your support. Now let's get into the video.
Gentlemen, how you doing? Sergeant Sturgeon, Long Beach Police Department. I was made aware of you guys taking photos of our stuff down here. You know, basically, by the way, you are on camera, so you guys are aware of that. So,
sorry, you're being live streamed too.
That's fine. As long as you guys are on the public street or the public area, that's fine. We have no issue taking photos. But the problem is, as soon as you start getting up to our facility, and
we're okay as long as we're on the sidewalk. We know the law, sir, so don't even come try to play that.
I'm explaining something. Do you want to speak or do you want me to speak?
I'd rather speak because I know the law, and I know as long as we're staying on this public sidewalk, we're fine.
Right.
We have no
until the integrity of our facility.
No, sir, you cannot make photography. You know Penal Code 148.G?
Okay. You hear what I'm saying?
Do you understand 148.G? Just answer my question.
Okay. Why don't you tell me what the Penal Code is?
Well, it's about photography of public officials.
If you want to ask me what it is, tell me verbatim so you know your legal code.
Okay. What problem do you have with us standing in public property?
Like I said,
can you trespass my eyes? I'm just asking you. Can't trespass what I see, and I'm just in the public area.
Right. You hear? I'm trying to explain something to you. Okay. Right now, we were made aware that you guys were taking photos of the facility. Like I said,
our facility. It's not your facility. It's our facility. We're taxpayers. We fund this, and we also pay you guys. So it's our facility.
If you come on the ground of the facility, you will be taken for trespassing. You understand? Are you aware of that?
Are you aware that to tell me, I'm 50 years old, to tell me that if I'm going to do something that I haven't done, obviously if I haven't done it is because I know not to do it.
Okay.
So I don't really need your instructions, and I don't really need you to tell me what to do as long as I'm doing lawful. You shouldn't even approach me if I'm doing something lawful.
And Sergeant Sturgeon, actually we can go on to any city property.
I just went inside your station and recorded in there.
To the public.
Okay, what's your name, sir?
That's none of your business. Like I said, I can enter any area of this facility that's open to the public. I can go into the lobby, I can go on the front steps.
Until you're asked to leave.
No.
No, I have to commit a crime.
That's not true.
Yeah, I have to commit a crime.
Absolutely not true. If you're asked to leave our facility, then you will be trespassing if you do not leave the
facility. Only if I
facility.
commit a crime.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, can you please leave us alone?
You're dismissed.
Yeah.
That's a question. That's not what I said.
That's a statement. You're dismissed. Thank you. Both of you guys are dismissed. You can go now. We don't need you guys no more. You know how dumb it sounds for you to come tell us when we're not doing nothing a lot? With all the stuff that's happening, for you to come and tell us not to do something is like prior restraint. It's like, don't do this because we might. It's like, that's not how it works.
I would advise you to look at Misconduct versus the United States.
Or Fordyce versus Seattle.
Taking photographs and video of things that are plainly visible in public spaces is a constitutional right, and that includes transportation facilities, the outside of federal buildings, police, and yes, jails and correctional facilities. The right of citizens to record the police and federal institutions is a critical check and balance. It creates an independent record of what takes place and where and how our tax dollars are spent.
I'm sorry, what was that? Hello?
area, so you can't be taking pictures over there.
Oh, I'm just in the public. I'm in the public sidewalk, sir, right here. I'm just taking some photograph, and I'll be on my way. Well, you can see we got some contact through the intercom really quick. As you can see, we're in a public area. I have no ill will, no bad intentions whatsoever. I'm just testing if we are respected on our right to film in public. This is a very nice building, and we're about to have contact. I'm okay, thanks. I'm sorry? I'm just taking some photograph from the public sidewalk.
No, you're not. This is a restricted area. There's no
Okay,
photography
can you
over
give
here.
me my space, please? I'm just taking some pictures, sir.
You're not allowed to.
This is a lawfully protected activity, sir. Do you know that we have
This is a secure area. You're not supposed to be taking photos over here.
I'm actually in a public sidewalk right now. This is the public.
And you're taking pictures of a state facility with this.
I'm just working on a little story, sir. I understand. I'm just working on a little story, and I'll be on my way. I have no ill will.
Photograph over here, okay?
Sir, can you please give me my space, because you're like...
There's plenty of space in between us right now.
Okay. I'm just practicing my First Amendment right to film in
I'm
public.
just letting you know you can't photograph over here.
Sir, I have to disagree with you on that. This is a public sidewalk, and I'm just taking some pictures of your nice building.
And you're taking pictures of a secure area where we bring the prisoners in.
Well, I don't know what you guys do back here, but
I'm letting you know.
Well, that's fine, sir. I'm in a public area.
I'm asking you to leave now.
Well, sir, you can't tell me to leave from a public area.
I'm asking you to stop filming this area specifically. You can take pictures of the outside of the building. Not over here, you can't.
Is that like a lawful demand?
I am explaining to you what you're allowed to do, okay?
I understand. I know what I'm allowed to do. I'm a photographer. I know my rights. I can film in
over
public.
Here filming a secure area where prisoners are brought in.
Well, sir, I don't know who you guys bringing in here. I'm just filming from
I
public.
just explained that to you.
Okay, well, that's fine, sir. I'm just
So I'm
taking
going to ask you to go somewhere else and take your photographs.
Are you a supervisor? Can I speak to your supervisor? Because
Absolutely.
I'm just exercising my right to film in public, sir.
Capitol Police, the Sheriff's Department. I need a supervisor out here. This gentleman seems to have an issue with the instructions I'm giving him. You're more than welcome to film the other parts of the building. This area right here is a secure area where prisoners are brought in.
I got 12 on the way out there, Dave.
Okay?
And I understand, sir. I'm not, like I said, I have no ill will.
I know.
I'm just working on a little story.
I'm just letting you know.
I'm just working on a little story.
It just looks suspicious to us when someone's over here with a phone taking photographs of law enforcement coming in and out of a secure area where the prisoners are brought in.
Well, I understand your point.
You can understand.
I understand your point, but you need to understand too that we have the right to film in public.
I understand that, but this area is not. It's not like you can go into the building and take photographs either.
Well, with inside the building you can. With prior authorization you can.
Yeah, but you're not going to get prior authorization.
Well, I'm in public right now.
All right, but this area is a secure area, which I've explained to you.
Sir, there's no such thing as a secure sidewalk. There's no sidewalk here.
See this area right here?
I understand.
This is all state property right here. You're not allowed to photograph this.
Well, if it's owned by the state, that means I'm allowed to.
You are not.
That means we paid for it. So.
Sarge.
Are you a supervisor, sir?
Yes, he is.
I'm a private investigative journalist. I'm gathering content for a story, and I'm right here in the public area. Gentleman over here, what's your name? 8066 is not allowing me to.
I'll call. What's his name? Steve. Let me call the captain. You're gonna have to wait at the front of the building.
Okay, well.
Film outside here.
Well, sir, that's exactly what I'm trying to explain to him. This is a public accessible area. You guys have private area behind those fences, but this is public right here. So he cannot tell me that I cannot record this area. I'm working on a story. And I don't know if you're aware about the DHS memo. The Department of Homeland Security issued a memo in 2018 that explains how you're supposed to approach me in an incident like this.
Let me give it. I'm gonna go with
I'm just asking why you were here, why you were taking photographs.
And I'm telling you, I'm working on a story.
All right.
I have no ill will. You approached me really close.
Yeah, that's fine. Just
I approached you really close.
Well, it's on video, sir.
Yeah, this distance right here.
Just stay away from the gate and our Sally Park. If you want to stay on the sidewalk, that's fine.
So there you go. You've been informed that.
And were you over here filming?
I could be right here. I could be right here if I want. I could be right there if I want.
You got it. He's gonna take care of you over there, right?
Thank you. Thank you.
Just stay away from our gate.
He needs to stop bothering photographers.
Stay away from our gate.
That's what we do this for.
But please, just stay away from our gate in Sally Port because we have a lot of traffic coming into the gates.
Understood. You're very nice. You're very nice. He's a jerk.
All right, thank you.
Take care. There you go, guys. Another walk of shame. Another walk of shame. Look at him. He walked all the way from over there to walk right back.
In the end, they get educated on our right to public photography. A serious crime or a potential threat might warrant police presence, but for a call of a man with a camera, that seems a little excessive for an act that is protected by the First Amendment. Imagine just chilling and suddenly you're in an episode of Cops Gone Wild. In this next clip, the cops escalate this interaction for no apparent reason. No crime is afoot, but these cops escalate this interaction, living up to that old saying that there is no situation so bad that a cop can't make it worse. Let's watch.
Taking anyone's picture.
Why are you recording me, sir?
I'm recording the event.
No,
and I'm
your
recording
event is
everything
that way.
that's in the event.
My face is this way.
Well,
Okay,
I'm
and
recording you
sitting in
now
that car,
because you're in my
and
face.
I'm sitting in that car right there.
Okay.
I'm not giving you permission to record me.
I didn't know I had to have permission to record
Now, if
anything.
you want to record your event, and who are you, sir?
My name is Alton Robinson.
Mr. Robinson, I know you very well.
Yes,
and
sir.
You know very well
Yes, sir.
that I do not want my picture on Facebook like you have done in the past.
I've not put your picture or anyone else's picture on
that if
Facebook.
you place my picture,
That's just
listen
you're
to me, Mr.
premeditating
Robinson.
something, sir.
If you're going to place my photograph on Facebook, which I do not want you to do, I am telling you that there will be repercussions. If you want to
well, that's a threat,
if
and
you
I
want to
don't like to be
videotape the
threatened.
event, go ahead and videotape the event.
That's a threat, and I don't like to be threatened.
If this is not a threat, I'm telling you.
What
I do not
repercussions?
want-
For
I
what
do
purpose?
not
What have I
want
done?
you to
Have I
place-
broken a law?
You are.
What law have I broken?
It's against the law to record without a permit, sir.
It is?
Yes, sir.
Well, I will ask the city attorney about that. First thing tomorrow, Monday morning.
Yes, sir. By all means, brother.
I would talk to Mr. Pisco and I would say, Mr. Pisco, is it against the law for me to videotape an event that I'm videotaping and then an officer happened to move in the area of the event that I'm taping?
What's going on over there, sir?
These gentlemen move this
parked
way,
right here.
and I'm videotaping everything. I'm videotaping the
This is
scenery.
what you need to do.
I'm videotaping the buildings. I'm videotaping the people. I'm videotaping the children. I was videotaping before you arrived, so now you arrived in the scene. I'm here. I'm not breaking no laws. I'm just minding my own business. That's all I'm doing. Yes, sir.
Videotape your event. You're creating a disturbance now. If you want to videotape the event, by all means, go ahead.
What disturbance am I about to
Sir,
create?
go ahead and videotape the event.
I am videotaping the
You're
event.
creating disturbance by being loud and obnoxious.
Okay,
You're
now
drawing- you're
I'm
drawing
lowering
the
my
attention. You're drawing the attention of
No,
the people
I'm
here
not
that have
drawing the
absolutely
attention of
nothing.
anyone.
You're
When you
making it
got out
seem
the
as though
car
there's something
and all
going
these
on.
officers surrounded me,
It seems as though there's something going on.
I'm being surrounded by officers. That's creating a scene. The officers surrounding me is creating a scene. Over where? For what?
So I can find out who you are.
I'll give you my ID. I don't have my. I'll give you my identification. You can see who I am. Here's my wallet. Here's my identification. Here's my wallet.
Now you're recording
You can
me,
see
sir.
who I am.
You recording me now.
You asked who I was. I'm telling you who I am. Here's my identification.
Step over here.
I don't need to step over there for you to see my identification.
Take. Stop recording me.
Man, you
Step
man,
over to
have
the
my
car,
camera.
sir, like he advised you to do.
You snatched my camera. You snatched my camera. You snatched my camera. I done nothing wrong. I hope somebody else is videotaping this. Everybody's videotaping now. What have I done? You snatched my camera. That cost me money. That's my property. That is my property. I attempted to show you my identification, who I am. Here's my identification right here. You know who I am.
Thank you for watching. Leave a comment to keep the conversation going, and smash that like and subscribe button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm push these videos out for others to enjoy and helps grow the channel. See you on the next one. Peeps out.